Hello, little friends. Today we meet lots of animal friends. On the farm, in the wild, and up in the sky. What sound does each one make? Let's find out. Look, here is a cow. What does the cow say? Look, here is a dog. What does the dog say? Look, here is a cat. What does the cat say? Look, here is a duck. What does the duck say? Look, here is a pig. What does the pig say? Look, here is a sheep. What does the sheep say? Look, here is a horse. What does the horse say? Look, here is a frog. What does the frog say? Look, here is a goat. What does the goat say? Look, here is a lion. What does the lion say? Look, here is an elephant. What does the elephant say? Look, here is a monkey. What does the monkey say? Look, here is a tiger. What does the tiger say? Look, here is a wolf. What does the wolf say? Look, here is a bear. What does the bear say? Look, here is a zebra. What does the zebra say? Look, here is a crocodile. What does the crocodile say? Look, here is a rooster. What does the rooster say? Look, here is a hen. What does the hen say? Look, here is an owl. What does the owl say? Look, here is a crow. What does the crow say? Look, here is a goose. What does the goose say? Look, here is a peacock. What does the peacock say? Look, here is a songbird. What does the songbird say? Look, here is a bee. What does the bee say? We met so many animal friends today. What a lot of wonderful sounds. Great listening, little friends. Bye-bye.